Hi guys, it's Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. And we're standing on our brand new 2020 Scout 235 XSF. It's powered with a 300 Mercury Verado. Got a fold-out transom seat. It's a nice leaning post here. Some storage, as well as a cooler underneath. Your seats flip. You can be sitting down, or you can lean back. Up here at the helm, got our Garmin display, our switches, Mercury unit, fusion radio, glove box, as well as some 12 volts and USBs up there, and our compass. You have a full powder coated T-top, fiberglass hardtop on this boat, all glass. Got a nice seat up front, which doubles as a large coffin box or storage area. As well as some nice seating right in the bow, some storage underneath. We got our anchor locker up front. We also got some rod holder, cup holder combos up front, pop-up cleats. Again, this has been Lars Pearson, MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you want to know about this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.